This is an example problem from the Ready of 4.1. The question being asked here is determine if the point -2, 1 is a solution to y equals 3x plus 1. Now there are several ways to answer this problem. Solution 1. In solution 1, we're going to graph the equation y equals 3x plus 1. You'll remember that in y equals 3x plus 1, the 1 is the b value, which is the y-intercept, where the 3 is the m value, which is the slope. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw in my axes. I'm going to label my axes x and y, and then I'm going to scale them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not necessary to write down every single tick mark. In fact, that's time-consuming and not helpful. So as long as I mark one mark on my y-axis and my x-axis, I'm indicating my scale. So the first thing I need to plot is my intercept, my y-intercept, which is 1, which is also the point 0, 1. There's several ways to think about it. One you can think of as where the number sits on the y-axis. The other is to recognize that it is the point 0, 1. So I put my first dot there. I then am going to use my slope, which we think of as rise over run. I'm going to rise 3 and run 1. Similarly, I could rise down and to the left 1. I then can connect my dots. Of course, using a ruler here is probably ideal, but not necessary since it is just a representation of the line. I then plot the point -2, 1. So -2, 1. We can see that the point -2, 1 is not on this line. So therefore, the point -2, 1 is not a solution to y equals 3x plus 1. Now the second way to solve this problem, solution 2, is to plug the point into the equation. So we know that the point -2, 1, that the -2 represents an x value and the 1 represents a y value. So I look at my equation, y equals 3x plus 1. I put my 1 in for the y. I put my -2 in for the x. And I simplify. In this case, I'm going to just work on the right-hand side since that's the side that has problems to simplify. I use my order of operations, so I get -6 plus 1. 1 equals -5. That is not true. So again, therefore, the point -2, 1 is not a solution to y equals 3x plus 1.